y'all, let's do a quick little walkthrough of Bath and Body Works. They're having the Aromatherapy sale, so let's see the new product. Yes, I was actually surprised to see the Aromatherapy shampoo and conditioner. I think my store just got this. Decided to do a demo using the Aromatherapy body mist. No, it's not included in the sale, but I just absolutely love this product, and I feel like this is the best way to really smell the product. The notes in the products is by using the aroma body mist. Bath and Body Works, please start including the mist in the sale, please. I absolutely love the mist. Good morning or good afternoon or whenever you are watching my video. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch all of my videos, no matter what you're watching, vlogs, review, hauls, walkthrough, whatever. You are my MVP of the channel. And because of you, your girl keep posting. Yay, yay, yay. Today, y'all, Bath and Body Works is having the Aromatherapy sale, $6.50 Aromatherapy sale, and today they released 2 new scents, and I got my hands on this. Y'all see, I do have this little bag. I only bought 4 things, y'all. That's it. And I bought the new stuff, which is, was this used? Which is Restful Moon. Yes. Restful Moon, y'all. I decided to grab this in the body wash as well as the lotion. You know, gotta unwrap it so y'all can see it. So yes, I decided to grab Restful Moon in the body wash as well as the lotion, the body lotion. I think this is body lotion. Yes, the body lotion. Yes, has patchouli, sandalwood, and vanilla. When I tell you this smells so good, oh my goodness. It kind of reminds me of the Elements. Remember they had released the Elements line last year or early part of this year. I can't remember whichever one. It was either air or water. No, air or either earth. Came with these same exact notes. I can't remember which one, but that's what this smelled like. One of those Element collections. Love it. The next 2 I got is Wakening Sun. The package of these is so nice. I absolutely love the pink, and then this like grape color blue, love it, or purple, love it. Dang. Yes, and the scent notes in this is bergamot, neroli, and cedarwood. Love it, love it, love it. Now, I really couldn't get a good smell on this one. This one is just okay. It smells very powdery like. It's just okay for me. Yeah, this is okay. But one thing I must say, I love the fact that Bath and Body Works is using these different scent notes. I love that, because I'm not the type of person that love like the foodie scents. I don't like that. I love when they use patchouli, bergamot, sandalwood, cedarwood. I love when they do notes like that inside of their products. So to me, these are grown folks scents, and no shade to nobody who love the foodie body care. No shade, I'm just saying. It's just my personal opinion. You know, most of the time we wouldn't buy stuff like this for our children. You know, it's an adult scent. I'm just saying. You know, you will buy your child the strawberry shortcake or strawberry pound cake body care. You wouldn't buy your child anything like this, because it's, you know, it's just a different level. It's just me. I'm just saying. So I absolutely love the packaging, and I love the blend, the scent blend. Amazing. And for $6.50, you can't beat it. I did not use a coupon, because for me, I didn't want to waste my coupon on this, because I think it probably would only took it down to like $5 something. So I just went on and paid the $6.50. So leave in the comments, let me know, did you get your hands on the new Aromatherapy, the two new ones that they just released? And I think there's supposed to be maybe 2 more. So yes, leave in the comments, let me know, what do you think about these? Out of these 2, which one is your favorite? I believe this has to be my favorite. I absolutely love this one. I love that vanilla that's in it. So good. This one is so good. But that's just my opinion. Like I said, it smells just like one of the elements that came out. I can't remember if it's air. I think it's the pink one. Whatever the pink one is, that's the one it smells like. That might be fire. It might be fire. The elements, fire, that's what this smells like. I could be wrong. If I'm not, or if I am wrong, leave it in the comments. But this one has the exact same notes as that. So yes, love it, love it, love it. Like I said, leave in the comments. Let me know, did you participate in the Aromatherapy $6.50 sale? Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, and follow your girl on Instagram. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.